See, again and again, are we Muslims? This is a problem. We believe in culture, tradition. We are brought up according to the social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or X. I'm older. X, Snapchat, and the rest. These formulate how we think. So we believe that it's normal. Relationship between a boy and a man. Whoa. I'm getting out of the closet. No. Let me rephrase that. Relationship between a boy and a girl is totally haram. But according to social media, it's totally what? Fine. 2 days ago, and I get a lot of messages on my phone and on my email. You will be shocked. A sister sent me a message. Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh Asim. I will be in Mecca in the hotel so and so for the next 2 weeks. I would love to meet you. And I was thinking to myself, my shaitan comes, oh, Sheikh Asim, this is in Mecca, it's halal. And it's barakah. And maybe Allah will guide her. So I was thinking, you're very knowledgeable. You're shaitan. Look at a 65-year-old sheikh getting such messages. The sister, I know, maybe session end. What is this? We just started. What is this? Now he's apologizing. So no, sorry, sheikh. You have to name the hotel she's meeting you. No? Okay. Now, the question is, the sister most likely wasn't evil. Inshallah. But how do you know I'm not evil? I'm a man. So if I say, okay, Jazakallah khair, I would, for the sake of Allah, inshallah, we love each other. Good. What if I met her? What if I made a pass? That would be halal? This is what Instagram, social media is telling you to do. And then when a sister comes and says, Sheikh, can I have a selfie with you? And I said, no, it's haram. They're angered by it. They feel, oh, this sheikh is very strict. He's very bad. I'm following Islam. Do you think I don't want to be loved and cuddled and hugged? I'm a teddy bear. I love this. But I'm a Muslim. I have few days on earth. I'm 65. Tomorrow I might die. I don't want to go to hell. You have to think in the same fashion. You do what pleases Allah Azza wa Jal. Sisters don't like this. Brothers surely don't like that. But then, this is what we are here for. To go back to the original thing, Qur'an and Sunnah. Then Allah would be pleased with us and the hell with everybody else.
I hope that answers your question.